everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix xClash login not working. If you can't log in, follow these quick steps. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that is the problem. Next, verify your credentials. Make sure your email passwords are correct. If unsure, tap forget password to reset. Go ahead and open your app store, search for your xClash app, and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app, so updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now go ahead and open your app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and remove it. This way you will force close the app, and once you swipe it away, reopen it and try logging in again. Next, if you signed up with an Apple or Google, use that method to log in instead. Privacy tip: avoid logging in shared devices. Keep your account safe. Quick fix: if it still won't work, restart your iPhone and try again. If the problem persists, contact xClash, their support for account help. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.